Good morning, grade 6 learners. How are you today? Welcome to our science class. I am happy that you are with me learning, watching while listening. So relax, enjoy, because in just a few moments we will discover a new learning in science. Okay kids, let's continue learning. Today, I will discuss to you the nervous system. Do you ever wonder how you could walk in a beam without losing your balance? Why is it that when you touch something hot, you pull your hand away even before you think about it? You will find the answer to this question as you listen to this lesson. The body system that controls other parts of the body is the nervous system. The nervous system receives signals from stimuli inside and outside of the body. The main function of the nervous system is to integrate and coordinate bodily activities. All information outside and inside the body are processed and interpreted by the nervous system. The nervous system has two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain. The brain is the primary organ of the central nervous system contained within the skull. It receives and interprets countless signals. The brain makes us conscious, emotional, and smart. It is the control system for movement, sleep, hunger, thirst, and every other vital activity necessary for survival. The brain controls all the human emotions like love, hate, fear, anger, elation, and sadness. The parts of the brain. Number 1. Cerebrum. The largest part of the brain. This part receives sensory messages. It acts as the center of emotions, consciousness, learning, and voluntary movements. Number 2. Cerebellum. Located beneath the cerebrum. It is smaller than the cerebrum. It coordinates involuntary and muscle action. It is responsible for man's ability to learn habits and develop skills. It also helps maintain a person's sense of balance. Number 3. The brain stem. The elongated area at the base of the brain. It contains vital center for autonomic functions. The spinal cord. It is a cord-like material in the backbone. It extends downward from the medulla oblongata through the 4/5 of the spinal column. The peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system collects information from the sense organ such as the eyes and the nose. This information is transmitted to the organs of the central nervous system, which deliver decisions to the body parts that will act on the message. It is made up of nerves that branch off from the spinal cord and extend it to all parts of the body. The neuron or nerve cell is the functional unit of the nervous system. The neuron has 3 parts. Number 1. The dendrites. The dendrites are the short fibers around the cell body. They carry messages into the nerve cell. Number 2. The body cell. The body cell is the main component of neuron. It maintains the health of the neuron. Number 3, the axon. The axon is the long fibers of the neuron. There are 3 types of neurons: sensory neuron, interneurons, and motor neurons. A sensory neuron is typically having long dendrites and axons. A sensory neuron carries messages from the receptor organs, the skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue, to the nerve center. Number 2, the motor neuron. A motor neuron has a short dendrites and long axons. A motor neuron receives information from the nerve centers and transmit it to the effector organs. Number 3, the interneurons. The interneurons are found only in the central nervous system. They connect sensory neurons to motor neurons. The autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls or regulates body's internal environment, including the body temperature, pulse, respiration rate, and blood pressure. These are the vital signs. The vital signs reflect the condition your internal organs are in. The autonomic nervous system has 2 divisions, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nerves. When a sympathetic nerve produces an effect, the parasympathetic nerve opposes it. For example, if the blood pressure is too high, a message to the brain stimulates the parasympathetic nerve to slow down the heart rate, thus reducing the blood pressure. Both systems are directly involved in maintaining normal function of cell. I hope you learn a lot in our discussion. Continue answering the different activities in our module. Good luck and take care always, because God loves us all. See you again on the next video lesson. Kids, that ends our learning for today.